The Coin Lady channel is pleased to have you back. Activate a $400 million escrow and turn down the ledger volume. However, our extreme bullishness on XRP persists. Allow me to fill you in on all the latest news around XRP. Come on, buddy, let's figure out what's going on. The channel is glad to see you back. Always stay up to date with the newest and greatest in cryptocurrency by subscribing and liking our videos. We bring you the biggest and best uses available right now. The total value of the cryptocurrency market, however, is $2 trillion. Bitcoin is still clinging at that 51,800 mark, up a whole 1% from the previous day. We were rejected in the end, despite retesting 52K multiple times. A lot of people are trying to figure out why the price of XRP hasn't been moving in tandem with the market, which has made the past few days fascinating. After then, escrow assets, such as 400 million XRP, become available. Right now, a lot of individuals are making the team say that they will sell whenever they want, which is a problem. We will address this in a moment. The volume is 700 million, which is 50 million more than our previous level from a few weeks ago. We also mentioned holding 5,432 as the price. Is that all there is to it? What exactly is everyone chatting about? Just why are people letting loose right now? The escrow was used to execute 400 million XRP. And the truth is, nobody saw it coming. We now know that XRP removed a substantial sum from the escrow, locked it, relocked it, and even speculated that they relocated it. Chris Lawson's XRP is also included. Moving loudness is everything to me. The XRPL must be thoroughly tested under extreme conditions. And this is simply something nobody saw coming. Again, if you yell out loud enough, they will notice and bring it to what is stated. Coming from a place where people don't fully get what that means, I'm even more bewildered now. Additionally, the rationale for it. The squad wants more. Rest assured, this was a postponed escrow unlock, and everything is taken care of. People are even guessing that this is John Dayton's way of raising money for his potentially intriguing race against Elizabeth Warren. Everything will be revealed in due course. There is still a world where things need to be paid for. It is a massively partnered, enormously large organization. And the cost of all this must be considered. Funding is the most important item in the end, that much is true. Bear in mind that they mentioned that terrified money doesn't generate profits. But I think the most important part of this is being open and honest about it. Whether or not we observe a downward trend on the chart is something that the community will argue. It shouldn't take long for them to figure it out. Nonetheless, a growing number of individuals are simply going over the edge. We'll touch on the reasons behind my lack of concern later on. Regarding the XRPL, which we have obviously covered extensively in several films, I will reiterate my belief that XRP will continue to play a significant role in the future. In the end, though, we are witnessing a little drop in volume. This, in and of itself, is not always negative. Cryptopolian, however, states that in response to the critique, Schwartz outlined the features and functionality of the XRP ledger. According to his description, the ledger is a platform that helps users by transferring XRP and other assets. In a number of previous videos, we detailed this in detail, going into the actual financial applications of XRP. Going global, the story of how banks, financial institutions, and others will adopt XRP and make use of the XRP ledger is an intriguing one. A large portion of the population views the decline in XRP ledger volume as a negative development. Right now, it's obvious. Everything that has been constructed in the background is relevant to this. The focus here is on laying the groundwork. First things first. What follows is an explanation of how it is more than just a means of exchanging money. It is an advanced system that facilitates many different types of financial transactions. One of Ripple's most well-known products that uses XRP, by facilitating the safe and rapid transfer of funds via blockchain technology, Ledger increases the utility of ledgers for financial institutions all around the globe. Now that XRP IRL has reached a lot of milestones, including 86.5% of its transaction volume and, eventually, a massive number of users, we can look back with pride. Also, there are some major improvements on the horizon. We touched on this briefly, but the automated market maker still hasn't been sent to validators for them to change their votes. Regardless, this demonstrates what's to come, and more importantly, the reason people are so bullish on XRP, which is why I'm still bullish, and I'm going to buy when the opportunity presents itself. We might be in for a chart shift soon. Why? Here it was mentioned that we may be in a downward channel trying to break out. Now all we have to do is break through the upper resistance around the 57-cent mark. As we keep pushing forward, we might potentially see a 23% gain that would put us back in the 70-cent range. If you're interested in trading XRP and think there's going to be a major move on the chart, you can see my link for Magix in the description. You can trust all of your trading endeavors to their top-notch trader platform and military-grade grid security. This is an excellent trading platform because you can now use leverage to trade XRP, Bitcoin, and all of your other favorite cryptocurrencies. They also offer spot trading and a plethora of additional features. With all the options available, you can choose to be alone or with others. Everything you could possibly want is available in margin trading. In addition, if you sign up for their exchange through my link in the article, you will receive $50 simply for doing so. You can earn an additional 5% on top of your deposits when you use that code to place a bid. Take a look at my Jack. It's a great platform for long-term trading, and it comes with all the indicators you'd find on TradingView, so you can be sure to use them all. For all your magical needs, visit MarkHex and sign up for an account immediately. The link is in the description. So, as previously mentioned, XRP breakout is very possible. What can we expect this week, given that we have the XRPL construct and that moving pattern? The current price is 5,424, which is 0.5% lower than the previous day, and the remainder of the market appears to be preparing to break out. Many are anticipating a significant change. As the deadline of April 24th draws near, this player, like XRP, is in my opinion a long-term player. No one knows for sure what happened in the February 16th book as far as the court case is concerned, but we'll have to wait and watch. But, as I mentioned before, XRP is a long-term play for me. If you disagree, please tell me in the comments. Do you still want to buy, or are you sick of hearing about it all? After that, the video cuts off. Do me a favor and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you soon. Farewell.